counted me out. They thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something.
You too, what it do, man? 780 Chevy, boy, we out here early in the morning. Just coming out here, man, we move the cars around so my guy can come and do his thing later on, man. But I just want to give y'all an update, man, before I go in here and get ready to hit the shop. Just wanted to give y'all an update on the storage shed. It's coming right along, man. Let's get to it. Yep, see, he did the framing on this side. He finished the framing on this side. Look like he did the back too. He did the back too. He also put the loft in. He put the loft in, man. The loft. See how the loft gonna be made. So we standing right in the front of it. We're in the front of it right now. So all of that around the edge, all the way around, is gonna be floored. You know what I'm saying? He gonna put it's gonna be like flooring where I can get up there. This part right here is gonna be open. This part right here, this open section right here, it's gonna be open. So that's the loft up there where I can get up, you know, get my ladder or a step stool or whatever and put stuff up there. All that's gonna be floored up here. Everything from here up is floored. And then, you know, the roof, they're gonna put the roof on, so they're gonna give me a little more room far as height, because I don't know if I'm gonna have one of those, like them roofs that go like that, or I don't know, I might just have a straight, you know, triangle roof. I gotta ask them. I don't know if it's gonna be straight triangle, but either way, in the middle of the loft, I'm gonna have more room, and they're gonna taper off on the ends. You know what I'm saying? Gonna be a big storage, man. Somebody left a comment and said it looked like a big clubhouse, man. Yeah, man. I'm real excited about this. Yep. Real excited about it, man. Keep my little stuff, man, so I won't have to take it to storage. You know, ain't gonna be nothing. Just my little lawnmowers and stuff, man. Lawnmowers and all this crap I got. Car wash stuff and stuff that I got in the garage around my cars and stuff like that. You know, I'm still gonna keep all my tools and stuff like that. I'm gonna keep that in my garage. Yep. Bikes. Just stuff like that, man, that we can get out the way. Like what I got in my stores, like totes with clothes in them, Christmas decorations. Well, I'm gonna say holiday decorations, because boss lady, she's decorating down for Easter, St. Patrick Day, hell, probably 4th of July, everything, man. Christmas, Thanksgiving. So I'll be able to put all my stuff up, man. So I'm real excited about this. Like man, like I was saying, I feel just as good about this as I do about putting money in one of the cars, man. Putting money in the old school. I feel good about this, man. For real. Yeah, I feel good about this, man. Yeah. That loft, boy, that's gonna really do it. So that loft gonna really do it, man, because I can with the loft, I can put stuff up there and I don't have to I don't have to mess with often. You know what I'm saying? Seasonal things. Like my car show stuff, car show signs, and all the stuff I'm dealing with the car show that I only pull out once a year, you know. That'll be great, man. All that seasonal stuff, Christmas trees, stuff like that. All that stuff going in the loft, you know. For real. It's gonna be, I'm just sitting here trying to see how I'm gonna do it I'm getting me another one of those little power boxes like I got. I think I showed y'all before. It's made by Jackery. It's a Jackery little mobile, a little portable power box. So I'm getting another one today. It's a lady be selling them on Marketplace. I already tapped in with her. She supposed to meet me today and I'm gonna get another one of them. So whenever I come out, I'm probably just gonna bring that out with me. Man, I'm gonna give me a couple of them lights from Harbor Freight. Give me a couple of them lights from Harbor Freight, them LED lights, man. Hang them joints. Man, I'll probably put one on each side right here. Put one on each side. Man, when I bring my little box out here, man, just plug that joint right into the box, man. Them lights ain't gonna take too many watts. You know what I'm saying? They ain't gonna draw that many watts. So that'll be my lighting out here instead of trying to get power ran, electricity ran out here. Like, I'm not gonna be out here. It's not gonna have heat in the air. So I'm not gonna have to need it like that. It's only a storage. So that's what I'm gonna do as far as that, man. I thought about that because I keep one in the house and I'm gonna keep one in the garage and keep it charged up. So whenever I come out, just grab it, snatching out the garage, bring it in here, plug the lights up. Man, what it take? Only an extra 2 minutes. Extra 2 minutes to do that. Yeah, man, like our totes, stuff we got, man, all them totes going up here. Slide them jump back. Going up here, sliding them jump back, man. For real. It's gonna be nice, man. Drop down in the comments, man, if y'all liking how the progress going. If y'all liking how the progress going, man, like what I got going on with the storage, man. I know, everybody had their opinion on where I should get it done, how I should do the business, man. I told y'all, man, I've been doing business a long time. I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it done, man. So coming back today, I don't know what he got to do today. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely gonna keep y'all updated, man. We're gonna keep y'all updated, man. 78 Chevy boy, we out here, man. Storage shit, backyard remix. I gotta spread all them little chips, them little wood chips and stuff out. Get the shovel, spread them out. See where I'm gonna park my golf cart, man. Where I'm gonna park my golf cart at. But yeah, let me go ahead and get ready for work, man. 78 Chevy boy. Until the next video, man. Y'all stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way, man. All right. YouTube, what it do, man? 78 Chevy boy up here at the barber shop. Me and Rich Whips. We got a brother finna come in. He came in and hollered at us. Rich Whips talked to him at the pull up and park the other day, and man, he got some RC cars that's not your normal RC cars, man. And I saw him from a distance playing with one, and it looked like a box Chevy. And when I talked to Reg about it, after the pull up and park, he said dude had several cars out there, and one of them was a box Chevy. So he told us he finna go out to the car and go outside and get them. I don't know how many he bringing in, but I'm gonna show y'all whatever he bring in, man. He said he trying to take it to another level, extend the reach. He said he trying to take it worldwide, man. So it got to be something exclusive. So I decided to pull the camera out, and we finna see what he got going on. I'm gonna get all his information, his name, whatever he, contact info. I'm gonna get all that for y'all, man. Look like I'm walking back in now. Clean, boy. We got box Chevy, Cutlass. Got a Jeep. Yeah, Zone 3 deck. Yeah.
You gotta take these on serious, bro. Like,
man, John clean, bro. And what's your name?
My name Chris. My real name Chris Wellington. They call me Southaven Styles on Facebook.
Southaven Styles.
Yeah.
Southaven Styles on Facebook,
y'all. The business name is Exclusive RC Whips.
Okay, exclusive RC Whips is his business name.
Yeah.
Do you got any? You got any pages or anything for them?
Yeah, I'm on Facebook.
Okay.
Instagram.
Okay.
TikTok. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta work, bro. I really hate being on camera. You feel me?
Oh, you ain't gotta.
Okay.
You can just talk.
Okay.
And I put it on the card. You can talk about it. I ain't gotta put you on there.
But yeah, man. So basically, I was in Miami year before last hauling mail, and I had a lot of time on my hands.
Yeah.
So I prayed about it. I told God, give me something to do with my time.
Yeah.
So I used to race RC cars when I was a kid. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So when I prayed about it, I got the thought. A couple days later, you need to turn them don'ts into RC cars since you down here in Miami. You feel me?
Yeah.
So that's what I got to. I got to it, and bro, I ain't stopped ever since.
And I fooled around, but I got a buggy and I got a X-Max.
Yeah. The big bash.
The big, yeah. But this cool right here.
Yeah, this right here, I'm gonna take to another level. Real paint.
Yeah.
Real automotive paint. Real clear.
Okay.
We 3D print the bodies. We 3D print the wheels. And I tell everybody, I don't do nothing perfect, but it's gonna be one-on-one.
Right.
I ain't gonna play with you. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Cause I don't. You like the Holy Ghost for the Rick show.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I got.
You did one of these?
Yeah.
Oh, you did.
Yeah,
Man, got a G body.
I got a commercial for you. Everything. Like, I ain't playing. R&B dogs. Real brother.
Yeah, R&B dog. I know him.
I'm working on his right now.
Did.
Yep.
Yeah.
AMG Green. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I know him.
Yeah. Good brother. I love that brother.
Yeah. Cool cat.
Brother. Yep. So,
cool cat.
And then what I'm working on next, this is what we gonna do. We gonna go and go after your boy.
Hold on, y'all. Let me show y'all. I ain't gonna show you. Just show. He said that's what he got up next, y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all know who that is. That's T.I. Yeah, that's T.I. joint. Go back and show him the Camaro you working on.
Yeah, B-Dog. Yep.
Working on that iRock body, man. Yeah, dog.
Yep.
Hey.
I'm gonna show you Holy Ghost right quick.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. When I say I'm addicted, bro. Like when I say I'm addicted, I'm talking about this went to Nebraska.
That's good.
A guy named Kirby got a color just like that. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. I met him in the G Body or Nobody group.
Yeah.
Yeah. So even on the internet, I got to show people receipts. You know what I mean? Like I'm not playing. This right here went to Killeen, Texas. I was singing that car.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Receipt. That's going to Tampa. So I'm telling you,
you doing your thing, bro.
Yeah, bro. I really want to.
Doing your thing.
You know, Memphis a little different, but if I want to get up with some real brothers that's serious.
Yeah.
Memphis, they think of you playing. You know how it goes.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, man. Exclusive RC whips or exclusive?
Yeah, exclusive with an X. XCLU. Exclusive. RC whips.
Whips, okay.
Yeah.
Exclusive RC whips, man. I heard he can turn these things on. We finna see. We down there gonna take him outside. We gonna play him right here on the floor, but I like RC car. He gonna let me run one on, man.
For sure.
You know what I'm saying?
Sure. Now if you tear it up, you gotta pay for that.
I got you. You break, you buy. Break, you buy. I've been doing this a long time, man. Hold on, y'all. Show y'all. I've been doing it a long time.
I can't turn this shit off, man. Wait, fuck it.
Bro, I saw that, but I didn't know it was radio control. I didn't know it was RC.
RC car, that's me. That's my work.
Man, the front gold on there.
Yeah, exactly. So
bro,
and then just
bro.
so you want to see the whole beginning process. This the cold part about it, bro. You go from the raw print. This will be the raw print. That's the starting phase.
Okay.
And that's a rough file. You see that file?
Oh,
perfect.
yeah.
So you go from that stage to that stage, just like the real thing.
So you gotta do body work and everything,
You gotta do
bro.
body work on it, you feel me?
Yeah.
And then from that stage, it only gets step by
Gets
step.
better.
Just like
Go back, this is like a real shot.
with the license plate on it.
Yeah.
That cold there, man.
Yep. And then you go on first. Got the paint on there now. I started putting that grill came out of a low rider Monte Carlo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to make it long enough. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The real. I had people send me their paint too.
Yeah.
Send me their paint in the spray can.
So it'd be
send me the
exact
material.
color.
Yeah. So I can go and make sure it's close. Close we can get it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, see that, man.
Yeah.
That's Holy Ghost right there.
That's
man.
Holy Ghost. Yep. And that's the final product.
That's what's
You
up.
see, I try to get like old boy in Chicago.
Yeah, Big Lou.
Yeah.
Big Lou,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
Yeah.
Big deck, man.
Yep.
So I'm gonna do it just step back. I'm gonna do a little. Show y'all the two we got in here right now, man. Got the box Chevy in this thing. He said this one. You said it's inspired by Zone 3?
Yep.
Zone 3 Dick, man. Shout out to Dick. That's the homie, man.
Yep.
That's the
I
homie.
saw it go online looking good. As soon as I saw it, I said, "Oh yeah, I gotta have it."
Yeah.
Yeah.
See boy in person though.
I already know. I already know.
Yeah, I hook up with Dick every time. Every year we go down to Wheels by Wade show, and
Okay.
me and Dick
Look,
we'll meet up across the street.
That's the shot I got right there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
That's the shot I got saved in my phone.
Yeah. Then he come down to the show with Atlanta, man.
I'm working on getting the operating capital. That's what I want. It's really what I want to get to feed the order.
Right.
So I get to feed the order.
Y'all see that, man?
Full time, so I want to hit every car show I can.
Yeah.
Rent me a van.
With the Cutlass, man.
You have some come over here, man. You want to rock Block Park?
Who?
Rock.
Block Park.
Yeah.
Where?
You get Southaven Mall on August.
I heard
Back
on
before.
the 4th.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, she told me about it. Quartet told me about it.
Yeah, you probably want to be out there.
Yeah, with the Maserati.
Yeah.
I mean, with the what do you got? Aston Martin.
Who rocking out?
No, I'm talking about Quartet. Quartet Buliel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And then see on there, he got the great show Sunday.
It's Sunday at the track.
I heard about that.
Yeah, he go down to
Y'all see that, man?
You're right.
Y'all see that? These ain't just no model cars, man. These some real RC cars, and we finna play with them, man.
Just so the key thing is make yourself known.
We finna play with them, man.
Right.
Y'all see it. We'll be right back. All right. Y'all see it, man. And they work, man. And they work. It just ain't no. It ain't no. He actually got some time and some effort put into these cars, man. This ain't no. It ain't nothing. It don't look flimsy or nothing, man. Real. Yeah.
And I don't glue the tires, but I tell everybody for cruises, the back tire.
Yeah.
See, I never glue the tires unless they want to glue them. You feel me?
Oh, okay.
It's made for cruising. You know what I'm saying?
I got you.
But then we just have to have like speed to it.
Yeah.
And then you just look, you put Paul Devil, stay right there, bro.
All right.
Paul Devil, and then you bring Big Baby out. Big Burger. Then Big Burger shining for the camera.
Y'all see him, man. Y'all see him, man.
Can't flip it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we ain't gonna play with it. Come down the boulevard, hit the cone there, come out the cut.
We up here at the shop,
You
man.
know how many niggas gonna flick on a nigga, you hear me? Yeah. Gonna bring them off problem.
Exclusive RC whips, man.
Yeah, man.
We up here. We got the box Chevy out and the colors out today. G-body colors, man.
Yeah, Zone 3.
Yeah, man. Zone 3 Dick.
Yeah, man. Tell them, man, we appreciate that, man. We appreciate you looking good out there, man. I changed up just a little bit, but yeah, we got to represent it.
This one here inspired by you, Zone 3.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Y'all see it with the G-body colors. Y'all see what's going on, man. And they made for cruising, man.
Made for cruising, man. But hey, they can turn up. All they got to do is take the body off, take the wheels off, and we can turn up with it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's hard, man. It's hard, bro.